Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
Imagine a world where computers can speak with the voices of our loved ones, long gone. This might sound like a scene from a fiction movie, but it is becoming a reality. Sunil Bharti Mittal, the CEO of Airtel, shared a personal experience at a media summit in October. A scammer used AI to replicate a colleague's voice, attempting to extract a large sum of money from him. Creating voice clones requires only 5 seconds or less of audio. AI can learn speaking patterns, accents, and pauses to imitate a person's voice accurately. In March, a case involved KT Vinod, a Mumbai-based business person who was scammed out of Rs 800,000. The scammer posed as a representative from the Indian embassy in Dubai. In 2020, fraudsters used AI voice cloning technology to impersonate the CEO of a subsidiary of Volkswagen to deceive the company's financial department. The scammers managed to trick the company into transferring approximately €3 million, around $3.8 million, to an account they controlled. Twitter hack in 2020 involved social engineering tactics that could easily be enhanced by voice cloning technology. Hackers accessed high-profile accounts and solicited over $100,000 in Bitcoin by impersonating trusted figures. Bank of America implemented MFA, multi-factor authentication, across its platforms. In 2021, the bank reported a significant decrease in fraudulent activity due to the introduction of MFA, with incidents of unauthorized access dropping by over 30%. This measure helps prevent unauthorized transactions even if voice authentication is compromised. American Express uses voice biometrics for customer authentication. The system incorporates liveness detection, which checks for signs of a live voice, reducing the risk of impersonation. In 2020, this technology contributed to a 20% reduction in fraudulent claims linked to voice impersonation. In 2020, PayPal's fraud detection algorithms identified and flagged 3.5 million suspicious transactions, leading to a 15% increase in fraud prevention outcomes, showcasing the effectiveness of proactive monitoring. Descript offers a feature called Overdub, which allows users to create a digital voice clone of themselves. Launched in 2020, Overdub has been adopted by thousands of podcasters and content creators. Descript reported that over 25,000 users created custom voice models in its first year, significantly streamlining the editing process for audio and video content. Another player is Resemble AI. Resemble AI provides a platform for creating realistic voice clones for various applications, including video games, virtual assistants, and media production. The company claims to have over 10,000 voice clones created by users as of 2023. They reported a 200% year-over-year growth in user adoption, indicating a strong demand for personalized voice solutions. Microsoft offers a speech service that includes voice cloning capabilities, enabling businesses to create custom voice models. In 2022, Microsoft reported that over 1 million developers had integrated Azure's speech services into their applications, with voice cloning usage increasing by approximately 30% year-over-year. Bell Labs developed the first text-to-speech synthesis systems in the 1960s, such as the DeckTalk system. DeckTalk, introduced in the early 1980s, was one of the first systems to produce speech that mimicked human voice inflections and emotions. It became widely known for its use in assistive technologies for individuals with speech impairments. The introduction of deep learning revolutionized voice cloning. Google DeepMind program developed WaveNet in 2016, a model capable of generating highly realistic speech. WaveNet produced voices that were 50% more natural than traditional text-to-speech systems, leading to its implementation in Google Assistant and Google Translate. Country music star Keith Urban took legal action against a company that used AI to clone his voice for a commercial project without his permission. The lawsuit was filed in 2021, focusing on unauthorized use of his likeness and voice. In response to voice cloning misuse, California lawmakers introduced Assembly Bill 331, which aimed to regulate the use of voice cloning technology. The proposed bill did not specify fines, but indicated that unauthorized use could lead to penalties similar to those for copyright infringement, which could reach up to per instance in some cases. How does a machine learn to sound like you? It's a fascinating process that combines advanced technology with a deep understanding of human speech. The answer lies in the intricate workings of artificial neural networks. These networks are complex systems designed to process information in a way that mimics the human brain. These networks are designed to mimic the human brain, learning from vast amounts of data. They can identify patterns and make predictions based on the information they receive. In the case of voice cloning, AI systems are trained on countless hours of speech recordings. This data is crucial as it provides the AI with a wide range of vocal samples to learn from. They analyze the nuances of human vocal cords, intonation and pronunciation. Every subtle change in pitch, tone and rhythm is meticulously studied. Think of it like a master impersonator studying a person's every inflection and mannerism. The AI does this on a much larger scale, processing vast amounts of data to perfect its imitation. It breaks down the voice into tiny building blocks of sound, learning to reproduce them with remarkable fidelity. Each sound is analyzed and recreated to match the original as closely as possible. The result? An artificial voice that is nearly indistinguishable from the original, capable of speaking new words and sentences that were never uttered by the real person. This technology has incredible potential, from creating realistic voice assistants to preserving the voices of loved ones for future generations. Imagine being able to hear the voice of a historical figure or a loved one who has passed away. AI voice cloning can bring these voices back to life, allowing us to experience history and personal memories in a whole new way. Beyond personal and historical applications, AI-generated voices are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Voice assistants are becoming more natural and intuitive, making our daily interactions with devices smoother and more efficient. In education, AI voices can provide personalized learning experiences, helping students understand complex subjects with ease. The potential applications are vast and varied, making AI voice technology an exciting field to watch.
And do subscribe to the channel